we got some exciting package. This package is from Penthouse Paws. They sent us a water fountain and the automatic food dispenser, smart HD feeder. As you can see, Susie is very excited to open it already, so we got straight to it. Here's how it looks like. Susie's helping me with unboxing. This one comes with a tray and manual instructions. And this is a water fountain. This is what it was inside of the water fountain. The water fountain is working through the USB cord, and they do provide that in the package. It was a really easy setup. This is how it looks. Final result. Here's how the app works. It's really easy. You can control how much you feed your pet, and you can even schedule the feeding. And here I can even see how Susie is enjoying her food.